Social media is obviously the new money making machine out there. Like literally, when it comes to making money out the internet, social media actually makes it all easy as they provide a lot of ways for you to actually make money. So instead of you just sitting there, just scrolling through social media every single day, doing absolutely nothing, why don't you take your time, watch this video to the very end, and actually pick one of the methods I'm about sharing with you in this video, because I'll be sharing with you 5 solid ways in which you can actually use to make money on social media. Yes, you heard me right. All you basically need is simply a smartphone, a laptop, an internet, like basically any device that gives you access to the internet that you can actually use to access all the social media handles and use it clearly. Then you can also use it to make money with this method I'm about sharing with you as well. So guys, with this said, without taking much of your time, let's get down to business. So guys, the first method to actually make money off social media as a total beginner with zero experience is through creating content on social media. Now, a lot of you are just out there, you watch people's content every single day. You watch all sorts of content ranging from tutorial to comedy skits, live vlogs. You watch so many sort of content every single day without making anything from it. Instead, why don't you also pick one of your favorite form of content that you keep watching? This could be someone just talking about what they are doing on daily basis. So you can start creating content on social media platform and actually make money from it. And the best part is that, well, it's not a must for you to actually show your face. You can do faceless sort of content whereby you use AI to create this content, or you basically just sit back and then talk, just gather materials and then just add your voice over on this content and then you repost it out there and actually make money from it. So guys, when it comes to making money off social media, the first method, which is the easiest method, and I would say one of the best method out there, is basically through creating content. This one doesn't require any skill or any experience from you. You just have to get your gadget, watch a video about what you feel like doing, and then you get straight into it. So guys, that is the first method on our list. Now let's take a look at the other 4 we have available. The second one on my list is basically affiliate marketing through social media. We all know that affiliate marketing is one of the most lucrative internet businesses out there. Like basically, when it comes to making money off the internet, on my own term, when it comes to things that you can actually use to make money without having to invest a dime, apart from content creation, affiliate marketing is the next big deal. Why? Because all you need is simply learn how the system works. I've created so many videos on affiliate marketing, and I'll be tagging some of them within this video, so you can actually check the video description and you might come across them, and then you can actually go watch those videos. Now that push aside, affiliate marketing, how it works is basically simple. You get a product that you like, or you probably think that people might be interested in. You look at the commission structure. Okay, they might pay you about 5 to 10 or 50% of the total commission, and then you look at it. Okay, it did well, you can actually promote it. Then you go over to social media, you join communities of people actually talking about this sort of product. Maybe if you pick a product like a weight loss product, you join fitness group and so on social media, or you create your own communities, you grow this community, and then you basically start promoting this product to them, and whenever someone purchases it, you just sit back and actually make money from it. Like basically, on my other channel, on this channel, I don't promote much affiliate stuff, even though I promote once in a while. But on my other channel, my forex trading channel, the truth is that that channel barely have about 3,900 something subscribers, but that channel actually makes me a lot of money through the products I recommend to my audience on that channel. Now the third one is simply, like, the third point here is somehow related to the first point, which talks about content creation. However, with this third point, is basically you making money with other people's content. Yes, you heard me right. Now there are some of you out there who deep down inside you are planning on getting to content creation. Like deep down in you, you know that what you want to start creating content and then making money, but then you have a simple problem. You don't know which sort of content to create. Like you are basically out of idea and you don't know what exactly to do. Now if you find yourself in this situation, there's no big deal. There are so many ways out there that I can actually use to make money off people's content. We have number 1, by reacting to this content, and I've made several videos on this topic already. We have number 2, by making a compilation where you basically just gather so many videos around a particular topic and then you just add them together and make it as a listicle form of video. You post it on your own profile, or best of it all, you just add your voice. You gather materials, maybe images or video clips of a trending information, you add your voice over to it, you repost it, and then you basically sit back and then make money. So with this, you see that there are so many ways in which you can actually make money with content creation. So the first one that I gave is basically you making money by creating your own content. But with this second method, you don't have to create your own content. There are so many ways in which you can do it. Now, if you are someone out there who is really interested in making money with other people's content on social media, then you don't have anything to worry. Just let me know that in the comment section that which of the method you actually want to utilize. If you want to utilize the reaction video, the compilation video, or the voiceover method where you just add your voice to trending information, let me know that in the comment section. I've already made a video about all of them on this channel, and if you need an easy access, just let me know. I'm going to give you a link. I'm going to reply a comment with a link straight to that particular video that you want to learn how to do, and you can basically start that and then start making money. Like, social media just open the door to making money and making every single thing easier. Like, most of us just living off the money we make on social media, because if you look at it on the other hand, it's better than some 9-to-5 jobs out there. So guys, the fourth method here to actually make money off social media is basically through social media management. Now, social media management, I would say, is one of the easiest ways out there. However, it requires a little bit of skill to actually get started. So as a social media manager, your work is simple. Maybe there's a business out there that already have a social media platform or don't have yet. Now, your work as a social media manager is basically to post things about their business on their business profiles. Maybe you can create Facebook page or Facebook Instagram handles or wherever social media they want. You create it for them, and then you start posting about their business on it with a little bit of technique included in it. Now, you guys can agree on a monthly contract, and you basically, all you do is simply come up with a content schedule for a month or 3 months, depending on the contract length that you have with these companies, and you basically post about their business, and you can sit back and then make your money. So basically, when it comes to making money online, I think apart from the content creation, social media management is another business that actually made me a lot. Like, basically, I made a lot of thousands from actually doing that business. Between 2023 and 2024, I actually made a lot of money from social media management. Just 2025 is about midway, but I would say 2023 and 2024 were my biggest breakthrough in the social media management industry, because I work with a lot of big brands like luxury rentals outside Africa. I've worked with a luxury rental in South Africa, Dubai, New York, and then other places around the world. And I think social media management is a great business. However, it requires some knowledge and experience to actually do that. So if you are someone who is really interested in getting started with social media management, you don't have to stress yourself. All you basically need to do is simply you come over to your YouTube and basically type in social media management for beginners. Now, just type in social media management for beginners. You are going to get a lot of videos on how to get started with social media management, what you need to do to get started. Now, you just sit back and then learn from these YouTube channels, and then you start implementing whatever thing that you've learned. Like, basically for me, I learned social media management from YouTube, and then most of the skills I used to scale up my social media management fees, and a lot of that I also learned it off YouTube as well. So basically what I will tell you is that, well, if you have a skill you want to learn and you don't have money to pay for mentorship and stuff, you can utilize YouTube to actually learn about it. So guys, that is the fourth way to actually make money off social media here, is basically by being a social media manager, just handling businesses profile for people who have this business up and running. So guys, now we are down to the final one, and if you watch this video to this point, why can't you just smash on that subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so you don't miss my next video? As on this channel I talk about content creation and mostly how you can make money utilizing social media platforms. So over here, just a social media powerhouse in general. Now, that flip to the side, the final one here is simply micro blogging. Now, you might ask, what exactly is micro blogging? Now, micro blogging is basically you blogging on social media platforms. Now, on a standard base, in order to run a blog, you need to set up your own website. But with micro blogging, you don't need a website. All you need is simply a social media handle like LinkedIn, Twitter, Twitter now known as X, Facebook, or most of those text and image based social media platforms. Now, what you basically need to do is simply you basically post content. You basically post content about a particular niche. Maybe you pick health and fitness, make money online, or whatever particular topic that you really have an idea about. You pick this topic and then you basically start creating content on it. Now, this could be video content, this could be text-based content, it doesn't really matter, and you can also mix them together. Image-based, text-based, any sort of content that comes into your mind, you can basically add all of them together and be creating on those social media handles. So you just be posting, doing your thing, and basically once you know that your audience start growing, now you can utilize the social media platform. Like if you're on X actually pays you for the engagement you get, so forth and so on. And another thing is simply you can bring a premium subscriptions, whereby so most of your loyal audience will be willing. Just tell them that, okay, if you really need my premium experience, like if you want to learn from my personal experience, you can subscribe to my premium newsletter, where they have to pay maybe a monthly fee or a one-time fee to be part of that premium group, whereby they are the only ones that get that set of content that you are creating. Like on YouTube here, there's what they call the YouTube membership, whereby those videos we upload in the membership are only for those who subscribe to our membership. Now personally, I don't have a membership yet, but then there is no big deal. So basically you can also start microblogging on this platform and make money. Maybe people might sponsor you. Yes, if you are creating text-based content as well, there are people that can reach out, okay, we can actually become sponsors of your text-based content. Some people might sponsor you for that. You can utilize it to promote affiliate products. You can utilize it to create a premium community where people have to pay to join, and several things you can actually do out there. So guys, this is basically the 5 methods I have for you that you can actually use to make money off the off social media. Is basically this list. Now number 1 was creating content, number 2 affiliate marketing, number 3 was reacting to people's video by like making money with other people's content, number 4 was through social media management, and number 5 was basically through micro blogging. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.